Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. One of the good things which happened during Aero India 2021 for Hindustan Aeronautics Limited is to get an RFP from Indian Air Force for their basic trainers requirement. The RFP was for 70 HTT-40 basic trainer aircraft with a provision for 38 additional ones in future. This request for proposal has come within 6 years from the first flight, which is the shortest timeline in the aircraft industry. As per HAL, the trainer has more than 60% indigenous content and is supported by agencies such as the Center for Military Airworthiness and Certification, the Regional Director Aeronautical Quality Assurance, the Aircraft and System Testing Establishment. As per the latest update, HAL has confirmed that HTT-40 has already demonstrated 10-turn spins and is ready for operational clearance. The HTT-40 has completed spin certification flight testing as well. The first flight of HTT-40 took place during May 2016, and on November 14, 2019, the Air Chief Marshal R.K.S. Bhadauria undertook his maiden flight in the basic trainer aircraft. And this happened along with HAL's chief test pilot. As per the experience of Air Chief Marshal, he was happy with the aircraft flying characteristics, including the stall and the spin. The aircraft remained airborne for an hour in which these assessments were done. If we quickly see the general characteristics of HTT-40, the length of HTT-40 is 10.5 meters, the height stands at 3.4 meters, and wingspan at 11 meters. These trainers are powered using one Honeywell Garrett TP331-12B turboprop engine with 834 kilowatts of power. The maximum speed of HTT-40 is said to be 400 km per hour with a range of 1000 km and service ceiling of 6000 meters. If the production of HTT-40 starts, it would take place at HAL's two manufacturing units at Bengaluru and Nasik. This fixed-wing aircraft has a bubble canopy and a T-tail configuration, as well as a retractable tricycle landing gear system with a steerable nose wheel. So let's hope these HTT-40 aircrafts are cleared at the earliest and help Indian Air Force in basic flight training, aerobatics, instrument flying, and close formation flights. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation updates. Thank you.